Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. You need partner program approval and YouTube merch shelf access in a supported region. This is why it matters. YouTube enforces seller verification. Once confirmed, open your Spreadshop admin and go to Settings, then Integrations, and choose YouTube. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account that owns the channel. This prevents permission conflicts. Click Connect to Google and allow the requested scopes, so Spreadshop can publish product listings to your channel's merch display. After you click Connect, grant OAuth permissions, you must allow Spreadshop to manage your channel's merch shelf so products appear directly under videos. Once authorized, pick the correct channel in the dialog, then select which Spreadshop store to link. You can only link one store per channel. Next, map product collections. Choose which items are eligible, confirm images and titles, set default pricing and visibility rules. This mapping is crucial because YouTube shows only approved products, and proper metadata prevents rejections. Finish by publishing your mapped products to the YouTube merch shelf. Once published, open YouTube Studio and inspect sample videos to confirm placement under the video player. Make sure each product shows as approved. YouTube may flag metadata or policy issues, so correct titles, descriptions, or images if necessary. If products don't appear, reauthorize the Spreadshop Google connection, confirm channel eligibility and regional merch policies, and then republish. Quick troubleshooting tip: relinking the same Google account often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.